Before coming to Australia, I did my bachelor's in engineering back in India. And after my engineering degree, I got a job in sport retail and I worked almost 2 years there. That's where I got this passion for sports.
Student coming for a counseling session in Global Reach discusses with us his ambition, his passion, his background and everything. Now keeping that in mind, we being counselors, we definitely try and extract what he will be good at, and accordingly we help them choose the right course.
After doing Bachelor of Science in Nursing, I worked for 2 years in the hospital. So after working, I wanted to do something that will boost my nursing practice. So for that, I went to Global Reach Consultancy of Nepal, and from that I came to know about this Master of Nursing Practice course.
If a student will not decide which course they want to study, we generally ask their area of interest, like which area they would like to more prefer to study, they enjoy and their interest, and based on that we suggest the courses to the students.
Global Reach has helped me choosing right institute and the right kind of course which my son was looking for.
It is very important for a student to understand what will be his passion and how well he can do in it. For example, we have seen many engineers may not be necessarily interested into engineering in the long run.
I actually done Bachelor's of Mechanical Engineering, so it was like a really related course to me, as like to indulge in a business as well. So that's why I just applied my Master's of Business Administration after my Bachelor's of Engineering in Mechanical.
Student, let's say, apply for any of the course, but every university have their own entry requirements. If the student is not eligible for the entry requirement, they may not get the positive response.
Talk about my course, I'm pretty happy with the coursework as such, because it's exactly helped me to learn about the details which I always wanted to.
तो मेरी काउंसलर का नाम था आनल महाजन। उन्होंने मुझे काफ़ी अच्छी तरीके से गाइड किया मेरे कोर्स के बारे में कि कहाँ जाना चाहिए। अगर आपका ग्रेजुएशन और वर्क एक्सपीरियंस जो भी फील्ड से रिलेटेड है तो आपके लिए मास्टर्स के लिए ये कोर्स अच्छा रहेगा।
Over here, Global Reach and their counselor plays a vital role to help them choose the right courses that will help them build up a right career.